Hey guys, welcome back to another video of hashtag A to Z with Varsha. And today we are going to learn letter G. For letter G also, first we will draw guidelines and then we will see the basic letter formation, then lowercase flourishing and then uppercase flourishing. So starting with drawing guidelines, if you want you can leave this part. I am drawing thin guidelines because I will use small tip brush pen. You can make thick guidelines for big tip brush pen. So this is the brush pen that I will use and this is the tip of my brush pen. Now starting with the entrance stroke, then an oval stroke followed by a descending loop. For uppercase G, first we will write letter C and then we will add lines. Now let's move to flourishing. Starting the first one with my go-to flourishing. And now we will make the descending loop. For this one, first we will make a basic oval stroke. And then we will move to flourishing. For this one, we will do circular flourishing at the beginning and end. Starting the fourth one with the entrance stroke, then an oval. And at the descender, we will do the overlapping. Like this. Then this curve will overlap the first one. If you want, you can go with a simpler version of this, which is like this. And there is no overlapping here. Now let's move to uppercase flourishing. It can be done in two ways. This is the first way. And this is the second way to flourish the uppercase letter G. So this was all about letter G. If you want to get better at calligraphy, you need to do one thing, that is practice. So keep practicing and don't forget to like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for notification. Thank you.